Hello, today at YouTube Mom we are going to demonstrate how to disassemble slip pump set, slipping pump bridge shield. When finished using, let the machine out from the pump set after every used. After that, please bring bridge milk bottle take off from the T-joint interface. Next step, take off gas storage from the T-joint interface. After taking off, turn to other side for removing bridge milk cover. After that, remove silicone bridge shield from T-joint interface. And pull silicone wall out. Just only this, you can take bridge pump set to be washed. After treatment, we will going to demonstrate how to clean slipper pump set, slipping pump bridge shield. When finished using, let the machine out from the pump set after every use. After removing the pump set, in order to easy for cleaning, it is recommended to rinse the pump set in the water at the room temperature and mix with the cleansing liquid about 5 minutes. After that, you can clean bridge pump set by step as following. The pump set that to be washed with a small soft brush, sponge, and a silicone brush for cleaning bottle. First step, you can take silicone wall, use a small soft brush. There will be no sharp edge on the brush. To clean silicone area, after that, clean silicone gas storage using sponge to clean silicone gas storage. By the tip of the silicone gas storage, you can use small soft brush to clean as well. Next, any part of the silicone bridge shield by using sponge to be cleaned in the inside part. In order to remove milk stains. In the part of the bridge shield cover, you are able to use a sponge to wash. Next, in the part of the T-joint interface, you are able to use sponge to wash. And in the part of the narrow space, you can use the small soap brush to clean inside the area of the T-joint interface. And the last part of the pump set is bridge milk bottle. You can use a silicone brush to clean bridge milk bottle and clean the inside part of the bottles. After cleaning all the parts, every part must be dried after assembling. The pump set can be brought into sterilizer and UV dryer with temperature not exceeding 120 degrees Celsius.